I'm so excited. Michael agreed that we should get beehives this year for my birthday. It's been over 10 years since I've had beehives, and bees are literally my favorite animal. I just love them. Anyway, you'll have to bear with me because I've got a bit of a cold, but they just arrived. My birthday's in for another 3 weeks or so, 4 weeks, but they're here. My beehives have arrived. I'm very excited. They've got this cute little message. Be positive. Oh, I'm so excited. So this is the smoker. The most important hive tool, and I think this is the Australian version because it's got the hook on the end, so you hook like the frame under the frame and then like pull it. It helps like what's the word? It helps just like shimmy it enough so you can actually pull it out. And then this is some sort of a strap. So they put a strap around the beehives. I've seen them when driving through the countryside. And it's to keep the lid and everything on top and secure, I believe, so that the lid doesn't just go flying off the beehive. I've never used one myself before, but I mean, it's there if we need it. It's made out of metal. The root bit is made out of metal. I might need to ask someone about that. I don't know. I thought they just did use like straps that you use to tie down your ute. Oh, so exciting. So exciting. I don't know whether to wait to see Michael's reaction when I get home, or if I should just open up the other half. I don't know. So this is the entrance. This is the bottom board, I believe. So that sits on the bottom, and it's got these 3 little dials, and like the bee, you can turn them open or close them. Bees work so hard, and they have all take turns rotating the jobs to look after the hive. And with the entrance of the hive, they will have worker bees, some of the worker bees, not all of them, and they sit at the entrance and they use their wings to either heat or cool the hive to keep it at a constant temperature. Like, they're only little creatures, but obviously they're gonna die if it's too cold, like if it was snowing, or like die if it was too hot. But I just think God's design is amazing. Oh my gosh. I know what this is. Oh my gosh, it's like Christmas times 10 for me. This is amazing. Really important lid. over how heavy this is. I can't, how am I going to lift this when it's got honey in it and bees? Oh my gosh. Okay, we'll figure that out. So, bottom board. So, we've got the bottom, we have this, a queen excluder. Ta-da! Bottom frame, brood box, queen excluder, honey frames. Oh, I'm so excited for that. And a lid. So excited. Oh my gosh, it's a good day. It's a good day. Like an astronaut helmet. How do you even do this? Oh, it's been a while. Or maybe you're supposed to zip it on first. Oh, that opens. Okay, hang on. We'll just try that. This is not going to work with my hair down in the future. Oh. It's ever so slightly claustrophobic. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be the girl in the pink bee suit. So I do like that it's got this ventilated, pockets, but it's got this ventilated area because otherwise that will get really hot in summer. ready to take on the world?